Good morning, dear students. Today we are discuss the sorts of recruitment. External source of recruitment. Dear students, external source of recruitment shows the vacant job position in an organization filled from outside of the organization. Clear? What is external source of recruitment? When the vacant job position filled from outside of the organization, we can say that is the meaning of external source of recruitment. Clear? Now we have discussed the advantage of external source of recruitment. The first advantage is fresh talent. External source of recruitment, company apply in an organization, then the company receive extra talent, fresh talent. The lot of employees, lot of candidates, they have a advanced knowledge of the technology, production process, innovative ideas, all is firm receive from external source of recruitment. Next one, wider choice. External source of recruitment is also shows the wider choice of the organization. The organization easily select the best candidate from different sources of the outside of the organization. Next one, qualified personnel. External source of recruitment because we are appoint the candidate on a vacant job position from outside, so we are already appoint the employees, they qualified according to job, according to nature of job, they have a perfect skills, knowledge, expertise, and after that we will appoint this. So we easily appoint the qualified personnel. Next one, latest technological knowledge. External source of recruitment is also sign of the employees have latest technology knowledge because it is already adopt the advanced technical knowledge and after that apply for the vacant job position. Competitive spirit. External source of recruitment is also develop the competitive spirit in an organization because the existing employees compete with the outsiders for the maintain the position in an organization. That's why advantage of external source of recruitment. Now we have discussed the disadvantage of external source of recruitment. The first one is the morale of existing employees goes down. External source of recruitment is always decrease the morale of the existing employees because on the vacant job position is appointed from outside, so they have no chance for promotion in an organization, so they don't feel motivated and they do not perform best in an organization. Next one, more chance of employees turnover is rise. Yes, when the vacant job position fill from outside, so the existing employees, they have a lot of experience, lot of skills, but they don't have the opportunity of the promotion, so they try here and there, so the employment turnover is also rises. Next one, not adjust according to rule and regulation of the organization. The new employees do not adjust according to rule and regulation of the organization because they don't familiar of the organization rule and regulation because the employees appointed from outside of the organization. It is more expensive. The outside external source of recruitment is more expensive because the organization follow the selection process. Under these process, the organization conduct lot of types of tests, and the lot of process is complete, so it is very expensive. It is very lengthy process. In selection process, when the organization appoint the employees from outside, it is a very lengthy process because the lot of candidates apply for vacant job position from outside, so the organization conduct lot of types of tests and interviews, and after that give the appointment. So it is very lengthy process. Now we discuss the method of external source of recruitment. So we have a lot of methods of external source of recruitment. The first one is direct recruitment. Generally, some companies fill the vacant job position in an organization, paste a notice on the front of gate of the organization and appoint. Generally, these types of recruitment is suitable for unskilled people like sweeper, PNs. Next one, casual caller. Sometimes the companies maintain the file of the selected candidate, but they don't give the chance of the employment opportunity. So the companies choose the better candidate of the file and call for the appointment of an organization. Advertisement, that's your another better option for external source of recruitment. The organization give the advertisement from different sources like magazine, newspaper, etc., and inspiring a lot of people, they apply for vacant job position in an organization. Next one, employment exchange. Sometimes the organization is appoint a lot of people from employment exchange. The employment exchange is collect the biodata of a lot of candidate and send to organization, and organization collect the data and the suitable candidate call for interviews. Next one, placement agency. Some private placement agencies also provided the employment opportunities or the suitable candidate to an organization. So organization approach for the vacant job position from employment agency. Next one, campus recruitment. Sometimes the companies visit the lot of educational institutions campus and select the better candidate. Next one, labor contractor. Sometimes the organization is also fill the vacant job position with the help of labor contractor. The labor contractor provided the suitable candidate on reasonable remuneration in an organization. Next one, recommendation from present employees. Sometimes the organization fill the vacant job position from outside with the recommendation of the existing employees, the relative of the existing employees. Clear? So that's your method of external source of recruitment. You can fill the vacant job position from outside of the organization with the help of these methods. Now we will discuss the difference between internal or external source of recruitment. So dear students, first of all, the first basis of the meaning of internal source of recruitment, the vacant job position fill in an organization from inside of the organization with the help of existing employees. In external source of recruitment, the vacant job position fill from outside of the organization. Next one, time. Internal source of recruitment is less time consuming and external source of recruitment is more time consuming. Next one, economy. The internal source of recruitment is more economical an external source of recruitment is less economical. It is expensive process. Next, quality. In external source of recruitment, the better quality may not be assumed, but external source of recruitment, the better quality may be assumed. Next one, choice. Internal source of recruitment have a limited choice, but external source of recruitment have an unlimited choice. Next one, moral of the employees. Internal source of recruitment is always boost up the existing employees' moral, and external source of recruitment do not boost up the moral of the existing employees. It is filling the competition from existing employees. Next one, promotion. In internal source of recruitment, existing employees get the chance of promotion. In external source of recruitment, employees they have no get the chance of promotion. Clear? That's your difference between internal or external source of recruitment. Now we are discuss selection. What is selection? Guys, we know that select the suitable candidate according to job nature on a vacant job position, that is called selection. Selection is a negative process because the rejected candidate is more than the selected candidate. Now we are discuss the selection process. So dear students, we have a lot of steps taken in a selection process. The first one is preliminary screening. What is preliminary screening? Guys, in preliminary screening, the manager always eliminate the unqualified people for a vacant job position. Generally, in preliminary screening, the personnel manager eliminate unqualified people from application. Next one, selection test. After preliminary screening, the organization conduct different types of selection tests for the checking of employees' efficiency, ability, learning power, attitude, aptitude, etc. So, the organization conduct 5 types of selection tests. The first one, intelligence test. Under these tests, the organization manager try to check the learning efficiency of the employees and the decision power. Aptitude test. That is, check the potential of the learning of new skills of the employees. Next one, personality test. Under these tests, the manager check the emotion, reaction, maturity, value systems of the employees. Next one, trade test. Under these tests, the manager check the professional expertise of the employees. Next one, interest test. Under these tests, Manager is always measure the interest of the employees regarding of the job. So that's kinds of test performed by the organization, and after qualify the all test by the candidate, then the candidate go for employment interview. Generally, employment interview conducted by the experts in an organization, and the experts is always check the efficiency, skills, knowledge regarding of job of our employees. When the employees qualified the employment interview, then after that the next steps is check the reference and background of the employees. Reference means under these the check its address, telephone number, verification, verify the all information it is give in application. And introduce of its attitude. Reference and background check. In reference, the employees who understand in an organization and check all the information given in the application form. Clear? Next, selection decision. After the check the reference and background, the manager make a selection list. Also qualified the all preliminary screening, test, employment opportunity, reference and background. Then after that, develop a selection list. After develop the selection list, the manager select the best candidate from the selection list. And after selection, the next steps taken in the selection process is medical examination. After the selection decision and before the offer the job, the organization complete the medical examination. In this examination, company appoint a particular doctor. They check the medical fitness of the employees, and some organization receive the certificate of different hospitals of medical fitness. And after that, when employees complete the medical examination, then organization offer the job to employees like appointment letter, job letter, confirmation letter, his acceptance. Such a letter generally contain a day of appointment. Candidate must report on duty. She must be given a reasonable time for reporting. So job offer, in the job offer, the organizing manager give the appointment letter to employees and mention the joining of date, and he and she given the reasonable time for the joining the duties. Next one, contact of employees after job offering. Candidate accept the offer. The certain documents needed to be inspected by the employees and the candidate. One such document is the attested from this form contain certain vital details about the candidate which are attested by him or her and will be a valid record for future reference. Contract of employment. When the employees accept the job offer, then after that the employees deposit the all required document in an organization. And the employees is appointed in an organization to perform properly work for the achievement of organizational target. So that's your selection process. So under selection process, organization complete the process under these. First of all, the preliminary screening. Next one is selection test, and the organization conduct the different types of tests. After fill the selection test, the organization is always conduct the employment interview. After pass the employment interview, the organization is check the reference and background. After check the reference and background, the organization develop the selection list and the manager select the suitable candidate. After selection decision, the manager conduct the medical examination. After medical examination, the organization offer the job to employees and the employees employment contact of employment. So in contact of employment, the all reasonable or all required document deposit in an organization, and organization give the appointment letter to employees, and employees are appointed on a particular job position. Clear beta? That's your selection process. So today we have discussed the first question is what is external source of recruitment, briefly explain its merit and demerit. The next question is what is external source of recruitment, briefly explain its method. Next question, explain the difference between internal and external source of recruitment. Next question, briefly explain the selection process. Clear beta? So in these topics, if you have any problem, any doubt, then you can call me. And all the questions you will prepare on your fair copy. Thank you very much, beta.